Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's learn 35 question answers and riddles about solar system for kids. Let's check how much you have learned about solar system. Let's get started with multiple choice questions with answer. Question 1. What gives us light during daytime? Sun, moon, stars. The right answer is sun. Question 2. When do the stars shines? Morning, at night, afternoon, all of these. The right answer is at night. Question 3. The sun is a dash star, planet, both A and B. Right answer is star. Question 4. The sun rises in the dash west, east, south, north. The right answer is east. Question 5. The sun sets in the dash west, east, south, north. Right answer is west. Question 6. We cannot count the number of dash sun, moon, stars. The right answer is stars. Question 7. The earth moves around the sun is called rotation, revolution, spinning, all of these. The right answer is revolution. Question 8. The earth rotates on its own axis is called rotation, revolution, spinning, all of these. The right answer is rotation. Question 9. The moon gets its light from the sun, stars, earth, planet. The right answer is sun. Question 10. When the moon is big and round like a ball is called new moon, full moon, none of these. The right answer is full moon. Question 11. When we see no moon in the sky is called new moon, full moon, no moon. The right answer is new moon. Question 12. The shape of the moon changes every day, night, weekly. The right answer is night. Question 13. The earth dash and dash around the sun, spin, moves both A and B. The right answer is both A and B. Question 14. We cannot see the stars during the day because dash shines brightly. Stars, lights, sun. The right answer is sun. Question 15. We get dash and light from the sun, heat, food, sleep. The right answer is heat. Question 16. The dash, dash, dash and the earth are part of the solar system. Sun, moon, stars, all of these. The right answer is all of these. Question 17. The earth is a dash planet from the sun. Sixth, third, second. The right answer is third. Question 18. There are dash planet in the solar system. 8, 4, 5. The right answer is 8. Question 19. The sun, the moon and the earth belongs to a huge family called the dash, universe family, moon family, solar system. The right answer is solar system. Question 20. Dash is the closest and smallest planet of the solar system. Venus, Jupiter, Mercury. The right answer is Mercury. Question 21. Dash is the natural satellite of the earth. Sun, moon, stars. The right answer is moon. Question 22. Dash is the largest planet of the solar system. Neptune, Saturn, Jupiter. The right answer is Jupiter. Question 23. Dash is the second planet from the Sun. It is also known as evening star. Mars, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus. The right answer is Venus. Question 24. Dash is also known as blue planet because it is 70% of its surface is made up of water. Mars, Earth, Mercury. The right answer is Earth. Question 25. Dash is also called red planet. It is full of red colored dust and rocks. Neptune, Jupiter, Mars, Venus. The right answer is Mars. Question 26. Dash is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is considered most beautiful planet due to the rings around it. Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. The right answer is Saturn. Question 27. Dash is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is the third largest planet and has 27 moons. Venus, Uranus, Mercury, Earth. The right answer is Uranus. Question 28. Dash is the eighth planet and farthest from the Sun. It experiences most violent weather in the solar system: Saturn, Neptune, Mars. The right answer is Neptune. Question 29. Dash is a 12th planet: Mars, Pluto, both of these. The right answer is Pluto. Question 30. The path followed by a planet is called its dash, rotation, revolution, orbit. The right answer is orbit. Now let's start riddle quiz for kids. Riddle 1. I am the closest to the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. Who am I? Right answer is Mercury. Riddle 2. I am the brightest and hottest planet in the solar system. Who am I? The right answer is Venus. Riddle 3. I am living third planet in the solar system. Living things can survive on me. I am also known as blue planet. The right answer is Earth. Riddle 4. I am the fourth planet from the Sun. I am also known as the red planet. Who am I? The right answer is Mars. Riddle 5. I am the center of the solar system. I am a ball of hot gases that provide heat and light to our solar system. Who am I? The right answer is Sun. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.